All right, guys, I'm just doing an update on MLGO. I still believe in this company is going to bounce pretty big. So I did buy it on this consolidation right in here just to be transparent. I got a 110 average. It broke through that. It's at 107. Not a big deal, right? And what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to just scale in this thing. If we get a pump like this during the market hours where, from here to here and it pumps, something like this, I probably will take some out, all right? And I'm just going to keep riding this down until we get this monster pump. And I'm going to save some shares, break even, and go from there. So what I'm looking to do is looking at the daily. My mission is still the same. We're still due for this 20, and that's sitting at $2. We can go all the way above this EMA 20 and hit this upper Keltner channel, which is in the $4 range. I've seen it do that and more than that. All right. I mean, look at these pumps it can do. It goes from lower Keltner to upper Keltner. Next day, it keeps going up, pulls back, and then keeps going up and up and up and up. All right. We don't know when exactly this is going to happen, right? I mean, look at this random day. It just goes all the way up to the above Keltner channel, and then obviously that's unsustainable. So I have no doubt it's going to do that, right? It's been doing it constantly. We got the volume. We have monster volume. A lot of people picking up on this. The K value is at a 6.06. That's kind of where this was at a 5, where it started to pump up. As always, kind of expected this double bottom to not hold. What happens is it goes down from there, pulls back a little, and then comes back up. Is usually what I see happen. It's a liquidity grab, just to get stop losses hit. But yeah, MLGO is one of the higher volume stocks that meet my system. Yes, I don't like how it's just on that EMA 5. I'm more thinking this could easily hit the 10 and the 20 short term. And like I said, if this has any sort of bounce during the open hours, over 10% that I get, I'm going to be looking to and take that out. I mean, for example, I have a 110 average, and let's say it goes up 10%, right? And it goes up to this region 1.21. Well, it hit that before, right? But yeah, I'm gonna look to definitely take some gains from that. Okay, profit is profit. A lot of pennies, they do this, right? What if you didn't take this? I mean, this went from 1.12 to 1.30, making a 15% move up. Hits this upper Keltner on the 15-minute, unsustainable, so it has to pull back some before it makes a new move up. It never did make a move up, right? So you want to take these pumps because a lot of times it's doing that. I mean, look at this. We go from 126 to 143 in a blink of a second. Then sometimes they don't do any of that. So obviously scale in. Don't ever think you're going to get the most precise bottom and catch it to the T. But I'm using my rules of, hey, when we haven't touched this EMA 20, the last time we touched it was 421. The current date is 609. So if this turns to, anything that doesn't touch it in that 2-month time frame is considered long, especially when there's high volume. All right, so 421 to 521, 521 to 621 would be 2 months. So we're getting in there. Am I a little early to the party? Yes. I'm a little early, but not all the times does it take over 2 months. This thing when you least expect it, it can pump. So, I mean, the first thing is first is the K value. It's a 6.06. That is considered low. If it gets to the 5 mark, usually where this has gone to, this has made some tremendous pumps. I'm just looking to take those short, scalps for now. If I'm up over 10%, I'm going to sell a lot of my shares and put them in break even, and then then I can target new lows, because that's what this has been doing. Is it makes it high and then it goes and gets for new lows. All right, but I think it's good. I really do. I mean, look at the picture of this chart here. This thing has been insane pumps, absolutely insane. When you least expect it, it goes up 700% or 1,000%. I mean, absolutely nuts. So it is definitely on my radar for one of the riskier penny stocks that can make a massive move. Don't bet your house on this. Don't put too much more. If anyone's telling me is this thing ever going to go up, I'm a little worried about it. It's because you put too much money in it. Literally have a max you want to put in it. When you at least expect it, this thing can have a candle that looks like this and goes up all the way to this upper counter when you least expect it. All right. That's the power of this stock. But it might go lower than you want it to. You might be down 10-20% before it makes 100% plus gain. That's just the power. That's just pennies in general. But you better believe it. I want to get out of this stock before it pumps. When it does these kind of pumps, like you can see, pumps, dumps. pumps, dumps. I want to be out of it because when it touches that EMA 10, that's going to be resistance. So if this starts resisting, take some gains, and if it pulls back, well, you have your shares at break even, and then you'll just keep targeting new lows and new lows and new lows. So that's how I'm looking to do it. Once it starts pumping, I'm going to take some profit, put the rest at break even. If it comes back, then I'll just keep targeting new lows. All right. As you can see, we're just on a slow staircase down, but no doubt about it, we're going to come up. All right. We're going to come up eventually. Okay. It's just a matter of time. This is, we can't hold this down forever. We are going to get a massive move up. You can look at a lot of the news here. MicroAlga integrates quantum image to build a more secure quantum information hiding. That's pretty interesting. All right, guys. If you guys want to join the Discord, let me know what you feel. You can join the Discord by clicking the YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, hit how to subscribe and hit day trade alerts. You'll get access to all my memberships, day trades, swing trades, live streams, educational videos, teaching you how to trade full time. I do this full time for over 7 years. I love it. It's giving me freedom doing these specific, particular strats here on one, how do I trade penny stocks? This is the only way I trade them. How do I trade bigger cap stocks? How to do the wheel? How to find the uptrends? And then obviously day trading, I teach that full time. All right, guys, click the link, how to subscribe, right in here. Hit day trade alerts. I'm going to put the link in my Discord in the YouTube comments below. It's $12 a month if you subscribe. It's really not going to be a lot. We made an awesome family here. A lot of people are in here, thousands of members. You're going to love it. It's an awesome, awesome community. Make sure you use your computer to subscribe to avoid the iOS fee, and I'll see you guys there. Let me know what you guys think about MLGO. This is prime to run. That's my update. I'm going to do 3 accumulations on it. I did 1 accumulation today. I'm going to do my other 2 if this pulls back or, if it goes down. If it goes green, I don't add any more. All right, guys. See you, and I'll see you in the next vid.